introduction.
My name is Brinda and I am from Prashanti Saris. Prashanti is a global fashion wear which specializes in saris. We are basically from Chennai, and this is our 16th edition of Sari Trails that's happening in Delhi. And we are here at the Constitution Club of India with our 100 plus varieties of saris starting from Kanjivarams. We have our Nalina collection, which is exclusive hand-picked Kanjivarams. Our bridal range of saris are going to be here, and we also have our exclusive range of Gadwals, Upadas, Venkatagiris, Pochampallis, Rajkot Patolas, Mysore silks, and we also have our exclusive collection of cotton saris and fancy saris. So people who are having any function in your family that's going to happen, we have saris, gift saris in all ranges we have. We also have our exclusive range of silk saris that are decked up here. To all the sari lovers, it's going to be a feast for your eyes. So don't miss out. We are going to be here from 12th of April until 14th of April at the Constitution Club of India, and also get flat 10% discount across all our collections.
So the outlet here displaying the sari, it is from the whole south or other parts of the state?
See, we are as a brand come here, so every stall that you see here is all from Prashanti only, and we have saris across India. So starting from south, the Kanjivarams, we have exclusive heritage looms that are specialized in Andhra, Telangana, and then we have Paithanis which are specialized, and then we have Rajkot Patolas from the north. So we have our exclusive collection of Banarasis as well. So from south to north, all varieties under one roof.
How do you get the response?
The response is overwhelming. So it is Delhi. So a lot of sari lovers I get to interact from yesterday. I've been interacting with a lot of people.
Even today.
And our regular customers who buy online with us, they have come to see physically, touch and feel the sari.
So it means that Delhi people are very much interested in sari.
Yes, definitely.
And
definitely.
the prices.
Price range we have saris starting from 800, that is our cotton saris, and we have saris going up to 1 lakh in our bridal Kanjivarams as well.
So the prices is
So starting
it
from
is costly or no?
We have in all price range. It depends on the fabric, the variety, the quality of the sari and everything. So starting from cotton saris up to pure silk saris, we have in every range.
So the sari culture, I mean the Indians are really interested in sari right nowadays, or they are wearing the shalwar kameez?
I mean, you can see the crowd and assess that. So sari has been a tradition that has been withstanding so much of generations, and still it is standing strong. So I believe that it will always have its own place in our country, and the love for saris will always be there with our people.
So what the message to you wants to say the Delhites or Indians?
So sari is actually very passionate. It is not just a garment. It's an emotion that has been passed on from generations. So whenever we wear a sari, we always feel very special, respected in the society, and also it gives a dignified look when draped considered to any other costume that you wear. So people in Delhi, we are going to be here for these 3 days. So we welcome you all to just have a look at all our collections.
So Hindi में 2 line.
क्या?
The sari. हिंदी में बताइए.
आप सब जरूर आ जाएगा.
साड़ी देखने के लिए, एग्जीबिशन देखने.
Okay. So सारी एग्जीबिशन देखने के लिए आप सब सारी एग्जीबिशन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्लब ऑफ इंडिया में 12th से 14th तक इट्स हैपनिंग. सो आप सब जरूर आ जाएं.
थैंक यू वेरी मच.
So here we have our exclusive range of silk cottons. Prashanti is actually famous for silk cotton saris. We have a huge variety in silk cotton, starting from our silk cotton block prints, Mangalgiri silk cottons, embroideries in silk cotton saris, and then we have korvais in silk cottons, jamdanis, kuppadams, chanderis, maheshwaris. So we have an entire range of silk cotton saris that are decked up here. So this is our exclusive range of Kanjivaram silk cottons. Here we have our traditional range of silk cottons like Palum Parmum checks, Vaira Usis, Korvai borders. We also have traditional buttas and silk cottons.
Very
And over here we have our exclusive range of designer saris, party wear collection, modal saris, ajrak prints, and we also have ready-made blouse concepts which are very new. So all these are available here. These are our exclusive range of ready-made blouses. And over here we have our soft silk saris. All these are Kanjivaram soft silk. Those are our jewelry collection. These are exclusive Kanjivaram soft silk saris. We have digital prints, borderless saris, brocades, pastel colors, deeper shades, embroidered blouses with matching sari concepts, kalamkaris. These are tassas, a lovely range of tassa silks also available here. Hello ma'am.
Very nice sari.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
I will visit Hyderabad, so I
Okay.
purchased here in Taj Banjara. So
Banjara Hills,
just
yeah.
पास आपका देखा. I have seen so many videos.
Thank you, thank you. कैसा लगा
आज
collection?
दिल्ली में I am so happy. I want to visit.
Thank you, thank you.
I purchased from Hyderabad. For 10 minutes we have only 10 minutes. So quickly मैंने बस कांजीवरम लेनी थी अपनी daughter in law के लिए. That's so sweet.
Thank you, thank you, thank you sir. So over here we have tassa
Madhubani.
silks.
Here also Madhubani.
Yes, Madhubani prints on silks also we have. Then this side is our Kanjivaram collection. So we have Kanjivarams starting from 6,000 going up to 1 lakh. These are our exclusive range of bridal Kanjivarams.
So,
So
you are asking, charging in the GST also?
Yes, everything is GST. All these are billed.
Okay.